Hi guys, welcome to Mom and Family. In today's video, we are going to talk about Similac Total Comfort Formula. I will do a review of this formula for you as well as show you how to prepare it. So let's get started. One request before we start the video, in case you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel Mom and Family. We post videos every week. And in case you like our video, please do like the video as well as share it with friends and family. So let's get started. So Similac Total Comfort is manufactured by Abbott Nutrition. They have other formulas as well, which is Similac Advance and Similac IQ Plus. I have done a detailed review of Similac IQ Plus on our channel. I would put that link in the suggested videos. This is a vegetarian product. The amount is 350 grams and the price is 795 rupees. So you can buy this product from Amazon. I have purchased this from Big Basket. Similac Total Comfort can be given to babies who have ages between 0 months to 24 months. I think the main question that arises in parents' mind is when should they use the Similac Total Comfort formula, or how is the Similac Total Comfort formula different than the other Similac formulas, let's say Similac Advanced or Similac IQ Plus. The main difference is in the protein structure of these formulas. Now let's take a step back to understand what's different in the protein structure of these formulas. As we know, all formulas are made from cow's milk. Cow's milk has two types of proteins. The first one is the whey protein and the second one is the casein protein. Whey protein is very easy to digest and casein protein is a little bit difficult to digest. Since whey protein gets digested really easily, it's light on the stomach of the babies, whereas the casein protein, since it's little difficult to digest, it's little hard work on little babies' tummies to digest them. The whey protein to casein protein ratio in cow's milk is 20% whey and 80% casein. That means cow's milk is composed of 20% whey protein and 80% casein protein. Now, as I told you, when the infant formula is made from these cow's milk, let's say Similac Advance or Similac IQ Plus, then they also have the same whey to casein ratio, which is 20% whey protein and 80% casein protein. So then these formulas are a little tough on little baby's stomach. So then these infant formulas, which have high percentage of casein protein and less percentage of whey protein, are little difficult to digest on the baby's tummy. So if you have a baby who you are giving Similac Advance or Similac IQ Plus formula and that baby is having issues such as diarrhea, constipation, spit ups, gas, colic, in short is having trouble digesting that formula, then you can consider switching that baby to Similac Total Comfort formula, because this formula is 100% whey. So that means that it has no casein protein, it has 100% whey protein, and even that 100% whey protein is also partially hydrolyzed. When we say partially hydrolyzed, it means that those big whey protein molecules have been broken down into smaller molecules so that it's easier to digest on the baby's stomach. So that's what is different in Similac Total Comfort. It has 100% partially hydrolyzed whey protein. If you're feeding your baby Similac IQ Plus or Similac Advanced infant formulas and your baby is having trouble in digesting that formula, now how do we know if baby is having trouble in digesting those formulas? Is by the symptoms that I told you earlier, like baby is having a lot of spit ups, he or she is having constant diarrhea or constipation, or there is a lot of colic or there is a lot of gas, then you should consult the baby's doctor or the pediatrician and check with them if you should try switching to Similac Total Comfort formula. If you check the container also mentions that you should take this formula under the medical guidance, that if you should give this formula to the baby under medical guidance. So those are the reasons when you can try to switch your baby to Similac Total Comfort formula. Like if your baby is having trouble digesting the normal infant formulas, which is like Similac IQ Plus or Similac Advance. So the container also mentions that this formula is sucrose free. That means it does not have any table sugar. The container also mentions that the formula contains DHA, which is very much needed for the brain and eye development of the babies. The formula also contains vitamin E, which is also needed for the brain development and the cell development of the babies. And it also contains gentle protein, which is what I explained to you, that it contains 100% partially hydrolyzed whey protein, which is way easier to digest than the normal infant formula. The container also mentions that mother's milk is best for the baby. Of course, we all know this, and then there are some special circumstances when we cannot feed baby mother's milk. That's why we have to feed the baby the infant formula. Also, the preparation and the storage instructions are also same as other Similac formulas. Like if you have prepared the formula in advance, then you can store it in the refrigerator and you have 24 hours to feed that formula to the baby. If the baby has started feeding, then you have 1 hour or 60 minutes to finish up that formula. Otherwise, you should discard that formula and prepare a new one. The expiration date and the manufacturing date is mentioned at the bottom of the container. We should always check that before feeding it to our baby. We should not feed any expired formula to our babies. So there is a scoop provided with the formula. We should only use this scoop to prepare the formula for our baby. We should not use any other spoon for measuring the formula to prepare the formula for our baby. The preparation instructions are also same as Similac IQ or Similac Advance. For each ounce or 30 ml of water, we need 1 scoop of the infant formula. So that's how you need to prepare it. So if you are preparing 4 ounces of formula for your baby, then you need to take 120 ml or 4 ounces of water, and you need to add 4 scoops of the formula, and then you need to shake it up and check the temperature, and that's how you prepare the formula. So I'm going to quickly show you how to prepare the Similac Total Comfort formula. So I'm going to open the bottle. So this is a Dr. Brown's bottle. In case you want to see the review of the Dr. Brown's bottle, then we would put it in the suggested video and you can go and check it out there. I would measure 4 ounces of water. This is boiled and cooled water. As I explained to you, for each ounce or 30 ml of water, we need to add 1 scoop of the infant formula. That is 1 scoop of Similac Total Comfort. So this is 1. This is 2. So you can use the side of the container or a butter knife to level out the formula. So this is 3. And this is 4. Now we will close our container properly. Put the lid back. We will shake it so that the formula and the water gets mixed. And now the formula is ready. We can feed it to our baby. So this is how we prepare the Similac Total Comfort infant formula. So hope you liked our review of the Similac Total Comfort infant formula. Hopefully this video has clarified in your mind that what is the difference between the Similac Advance or Similac IQ Plus and Similac Total Comfort Infant Formula. If you found this video helpful and informative, then do give this video a like and share it with your friends and family. And in case you haven't subscribed to Mom and Family, then please do so. Thanks for watching Mom and Family. See you again with a new video.